You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video, and like if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comments section. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography to secure their transactions and to control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution control. Cryptocurrencies are often traded on decentralized exchanges and can also be used to purchase goods and services. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. Cryptocurrencies have grown in popularity and are now used by millions of people worldwide. There are certainly a great many underrated cryptos in the market right now. Some of these may surprise you. Here are some underrated cryptos for the year 2023. 1. VeChain. VeChain is a relatively new player in the crypto world, but it is quickly gaining traction. The platform is designed to help businesses track and manage product quality. It is also looking to provide a trust solution for businesses. 2. NEO. NEO is another relatively new player in the space. It is a platform designed to help companies build and run decentralized applications. 3. VAT is a cryptocurrency founded in 2015 that focuses on providing a user-friendly platform for online payments. The project has a strong user base and has been growing rapidly in recent months. 4. ZEC is a newer cryptocurrency that focuses on privacy and security. It is relatively new, but has already made significant strides in this area. 5. EOS is a new blockchain platform that has been attracting a lot of interest lately. It offers many advantages over other platforms. 6. Trust Wallet. The Trust Wallet is a secure digital wallet for storing and using cryptocurrencies. It provides a user-friendly platform for securely managing your assets and transactions. Features of the Trust Wallet include secure. Your personal information is protected by state-of-the-art encryption technology. Easy to use. The Trust Wallet is easy to use and navigate, making it perfect for newcomers to the world of cryptocurrencies. User-friendly. The Trust Wallet is mobile-friendly, making it convenient to use on the go. Comprehensive. The Trust Wallet offers a wide range of features to help. 7. ChainLink. ChainLink is a new crypto token that allows peer-to-peer network communication between nodes. The Link token is a utility token that can be used to pay for services on the ChainLink network. 8. Filecon. Filecon is a new crypto token and a decentralized storage network. It enables users to store files and make them available for a fee. The network is based on a distributed ledger technology, which allows users to securely store data and make transactions. Filecon users can create a file and store it on the network. They can then charge other users for access to the file. The network also uses a proof-of-work protocol to secure the network and prevent users from interfering with each other. Factors that contribute to token success. There are a variety of factors that contribute to token success. One of the most important factors is whether the token is well-designed. A well-designed token will have a clear purpose, a clear vision, and a clear roadmap. It should also be easy to understand and use. Another important factor is the team behind the token. The team must have a clear vision for the token, and they must be able to execute on that vision. They must have the skills and resources necessary to make the token successful. Finally, the token must be accepted by the community. The community must be willing to use the token and to invest in it. The benefits of investing in underrated crypto tokens. There are many benefits to investing in an underrated crypto token. First and foremost, undervalued tokens tend to be more volatile than more popular tokens, meaning they may be more likely to experience price fluctuations. This can be a great opportunity for those who are willing to take risks, as prices for undervalued tokens may rise quickly and then fall again. Another benefit of investing in an undervalued token is that it may be easier to find a good deal. Because these tokens are less well known, there may be less competition for them, meaning sellers may be more willing to sell at a lower price. Finally, undervalued tokens may have more potential than more well-known tokens. This potential may not be realized right away, but if the token manages to gain traction, its value may increase significantly. What do you think of today's video? Make sure to watch more informational video on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.